finally got my order from Zeus Coffee. Pag first time ka nag-order and you download the app, you get a free voucher, meaning you get buy one, take one coffee. So let's open our coffee courtesy of Zeus. By the way pala, yung straw nila is edible. They're using, I think, yung parang rice paper. So while you're doing coffee, you can eat the straw. Dami ah. Pwede lang sa caramel macchiato. So hot salted caramel, ito pala, hot salted caramel latte with buttercream, salted caramel syrup, and caramel drizzle. So that's one. Ito para talagang sabihin ninyo na hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Edible po yung straw niya. Diba? It's made of rice paper. You see? Ang lutong! Another one. Iced Spanish latte. Ako pa. Rice shaken double espresso. And chicken barbecue pizza sa latte. Medyo nantok ako eh. Gusto ko ng something na pampagising. Yeah. See. Amoy na amoy ko. Okay na sa loob eh.
More coffee.
Oh, more coffee. Oh my god. Ang dami. Check natin isa-isa. Same siya. Buy one, take one kasi. So, iced Spanish latte. Puro iced Spanish latte.
Nice.
Baka meron pang iba. Same, pangatlo na. So, I assume yung pinakalas iced Spanish latte.